Welcome to Purchase College Library's tutorial on finding the full text of an article from a citation. This video will show you 3 ways to find the full text of an article from a citation: using Discovery Search, using Journals A to Z Search, and using the Citation Lookup. Let's say you want to get the full text of the article referenced in this citation. Your first instincts might be to use Google to search for the article. Using Google, you might find what looks like a way to access the article, but the page might ask you to pay or purchase to access the full text of the article. The library subscribes to many journals and databases, so you never have to pay for your research. Always look for the articles you need via the library's website. First, identify the source and date of publication. The source is Critical Inquiry, and the date of publication is 2015. Then go to the library's homepage at purchase.edu/library and enter the article title in quotation marks into the Discovery Search search box. Select Articles from the drop-down menu and press Search. Locate the result that best matches your citation by looking at the author and the journal name. Click on the article title to open the full record. Look in the View Online section for online full-text access. Depending on the article, you might see more than one link in this section. This means the library subscribes to several databases which offer access to the article. Click on any of the links to view the full text. If you are off campus, you'll be prompted to log in with your Purchase College credentials. The second method of finding full text is to search by journal name. From the library's homepage, go to the Discovery Search search box and select Journals A to Z from the drop-down menu. Enter the title of the journal into the search box. Click Search. From the results list, click the title of the journal to see the full record. Under Full Text Availability, you will see the holdings in our various databases. Look in the View Online section to discover which databases contain full text of the journal. Confirm that the date your article was published falls within the available content date range. If you do not see an end date, that means the journal is available through the present or most recent issue. Once you select the database, you will be taken to the journal's holdings. If you are off campus, you will be asked to log in with your Purchase College credentials. Using the information from your citation, select the correct year, 2015, and the correct volume and issue, volume 41, number 3. The database lists all the articles published in that particular issue. To access the full text of the article, simply click on the title. The third method for finding the full text of an article from a citation is to use the Citation Lookup Tool. From the library's homepage, click on Guides and Tools. Then click on Citation Lookup. From here, you can fill out the form with all the information you have. Try to provide as much information as you can to ensure the best results. Then click Submit. You will be brought to a record for the article in Discovery Search. Again, you might see more than one link in the View Online section. All the links will provide full text access. Click on any of the links to see the full article. Remember to always look for the articles you need via the library's website. If you can't find the article you need, just ask a librarian for help.